I am Rushikesh Damodhar Thakare. I am from Amravati, Maharashtra, and I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from Pote College of Engineering, and in 2022. The best thing about the Evision is we can call them anytime, or they will quickly respond to the our call, or also is responded by the email quickly. Evision has helped me in learning and enhancing my skills. Instructor has helped me to learn these all tools in a simple and proper guidance, and they give very good knowledge and IT experience as well. I got selected in NEC Corporation India Limited with the package of 2.7 LPA. This internship has taught me the many techniques which is useful to in IT sector. Internship has very informative. The online project or assignment has taught me the technique in much deep. Thank you.